Welcome to another episode of Pistons of Fury. In this episode, we've got the engine out of the car and we're getting everything prepped and painted to go back in. Alright, in this episode we are going to be getting this engine ready for paint, which means cleaning up a lot of the rust and dirt spots that are still on it. Need to pull off these motor mounts, and eventually need to pull off these valve covers and the oil pan, but we'll do that after we get everything kind of cleaned up. But actually might pull the oil. I might pull them off first. We'll see. But anyway, I still have leftover assembly lube on all these fasteners. That has to come off before I paint. What we're doing is just semi-gloss black, whole engine, and then we'll do these Cerakote Glacier Black along with the pan, because that's stuff that I need to be a little bit more durable just because it's exposed. The rest of the engine, it's fine. So yeah, gonna get started cleaning it up. Alright, so new day, back in the shop with this engine on the stand. Yesterday I was kind of crawling under the car. I was squirting this engine down with some awful smelling brake clean in my closed garage, and was just generally not in a good place. So this is just kind of a grinding part of the project. Everything's pulled out of the engine bay. We've got to get this thing cleaned up. I've got assembly lube kind of down in these little crevices thanks to having to torque the head stud kit, and it's not cooperating. So yeah, so today I've got to somehow figure out the best way to get this assembly lube off the engine, get the whole thing completely degreased, and I want to get it into prime and paint, with the exception of the valve covers and the oil pan, which I'll probably just mask off and leave there so I don't spray anything internal to the engine. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I will bring all of you along on that journey and hopefully make it semi-interesting. So let's get started. We're going to knock this out today.